Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today a quick troubleshooting on Superbox. I see many comments mentioning that their Superbox is not connecting to the internet, and I actually had a similar situation and my Superbox wouldn't recognize the Ethernet cable. So let me show you how I solve it with this quick fix. Let's start. The best way to connect your Superbox to have the fastest and most reliable connection is by Ethernet cable. But what if Ethernet is not working on your Superbox and nothing is fixing it? You plug in the Ethernet cable and it does nothing. No internet, no connection, just nothing. And now you're thinking, is the box broken? Is the port damaged? And should I just return the box back or what? Also, you tried everything and it's actually a good thing to try a couple of simpler solutions before doing anything else. So, you could try restarting your router. Then you could try unplugging and replugging back the Ethernet cable. And then something else that you could try, instead of using the Ethernet cable, try connecting to the Wi-Fi instead, just to test to see if it works, and you might get away with it by only installing a couple of updates. However, sometimes this is not an option as the router is far away or you have a bad connection. Some people wrote in the comments that they try switching TVs, but that definitely is not helpful. Only if the TV is closer to the Wi-Fi to the router or you want just to test another Ethernet cable. What happened to my Superbox is that neither the Ethernet nor the Wi-Fi could connect to the internet. So the only thing that fixed everything was a factory reset. So it's a good thing to try all the things we mentioned before going for the full factory reset, which will delete everything that we saved. And here exactly how to factory reset your Superbox. Alright, so from the main menu, let's go down to the settings here and then to device and preferences. We enter the about and the third option here is factory reset. We select it and it lets you know that this will restore your device to default settings and erase all data, accounts, files and downloaded apps. We select factory reset, then erase everything, and now our Superbox will reset to factory settings. So the Superbox erased everything, restarted, and once it opened back, it took us from the installation steps like when we opened it for the first time. After the reset it connected to the Wi-Fi and it worked immediately. And then I tried the Ethernet cable and boom! It is working without any problem this time. This is magic! To get back the applications and the blue exclusive apps, you download the green Android App Store again and you find everything there. In case the App Store with the green Android icon is not there, don't freak out and throw the box out of the window. There is a quick procedure that I explain on the next short video, right here. Follow the instructions and you'll be fine. Check it here.